What's up, y'all? Kilo Nels here. So I'm back in the gym, man. You can't keep me down for long. I had my moment. I felt the pain. I'm injured. It is what it is. Now it's time to just build on what we got to build on and keep things going, man. You know, you can't be lying around crying forever. You know what I'm saying? You got to get over it, feel your pain and get over it. So today, man, we're going to do a nice little upper body day, get a little pump.
Heat from past to present, your stomach touching your back, call for drastic measures. Reading my mail, all I had was letters. You know the phones in the jail be having bad reception.
Alright, y'all, so since I ain't gonna be able to do no real leg work or no heavy pulls for a while, now it's time to kind of focus on bench press, man, and get this bench press up. So there's gonna be a lot of upper body stuff, a lot of triceps, a lot of shoulder work, a lot of chest work, a lot of back work. You know, it's just time to get big, man. It's time to just take advantage of this little downtime on my legs and work on my bench press and you kind of go from there, you feel me? So one thing I realized, man, you know, me going up to the 275s, like, I gotta get that bench press up. I have to, man. I gotta get this bench press up. I gotta get my body weight up. I weighed in at only like 257, which is weird. Like, I was heavier during the prep. I don't know if it was stress, whatever. I stopped eating, lost weight. So a lot of things probably added into the fact of my performance at the pro. So we can't let that happen again. So, you know, we just got to get to the grind, man. That's part of it, man. You got to adapt and grow and just keep going.
Get saucy. Since you fly, we gon' make sure your casket flossy. Every day I take chances that could put me in a prison. I'm like Colonel Sanders, got the hooker for a chicken, jugging for a ticket, looking for a kitchen. Niggas fed me crumbs but could've put me in position. But I was still thankful, stayed true to myself. Never asked another man what you can do for yourself. I know gangsters respect gangsters. Chains, Rolex bracelets, keep playing. We turn rappers, Cubans to neck braces. All my niggas point blank shooters and check chasers. Grinding to private investors and jet racers. Serious niggas ain't pimping, y'all rest havens. Bag full of chicks, feel like I just left Vegas. My mind's scientific, where I reside in the crime inflicted environment with guys who buying bricks and driving big shit. I fire biscuits, turn your mind to liquid. As far as rhyming, this is a giant to a midget. Every line exquisite. Grimy, it's an all-time dependence. So when you try and mention top 5 guys that did it, why ain't I enlisted? That I find ridiculous, considering we ain't seen nobody this consistent since like 95, 96. It's real in my city, think I'm lying visit. Niggas die on Christmas, niggas sit 9 inside your fitted. You said that you supply it, so my youngest come to kick down the door where you reside so they could try and get it. Little homie can't wait to hit you. That money ain't worth it. You die, you can't take it with you. I get that head nod, that boy, he gon' quake his pistol. You believe in God, then you better pray with you. Look at the last 2 years, everything I dropped was way official. Derringer Beats had me writing till I break the pencil. Whoa, I came a long way from weighing crystal. Blazing nickel plated pistols through your facial tissue. Lurking in that van, boy, I'm on my way to get you. Clip full of AK missiles, bitch, I ain't playing with you. Hit the lights, pull up slow, let the drum go. Hop out, he hit 5 times, I gave him 1 more. Oh, my bitch got them with Tombo. Chanel bag, 55 hundo. Can't be fucking the bum hoe. They hate but they ain't made a crumb though. They just mad that this east side Buffalo nigga got a dumb flow. Aim the pump low, gut shot, where your lunch go. Hole so big, see through your back, through your front though. Whoa, his eyes open but he's slumped though. Last thing he seen was my gun blow. Conway, bitch. Know what the fuck it is, nigga?
So you ask.
It's everything.
Everything.
Every blood clotting. I mean, say if you sell a blood clot, you cook half a mine. The sell a blood clot, Nickelbanger with pussy all same thing.
I snatch you right out your Lexus. I'm moving blocks like it's Tetris, 100,000 by breakfast. Praying the Lord protect us. God bless us. We make a profit, the coppers, they wanna stop it. The DA, he trying to knock it. He passing the judge the docket. Surveillance, they show me cop it. Then pulling off in a rocket, smiling. Think they got it to sell, they will not just lock it. The case, they should've just dropped it. The jury all in my pocket, baby. Guard like Humphrey. In New York, I'm a monster. In Malibu, I be comfy. I be finding it funny the way I'm doing these dummies. Cause I was moving like Bumpy when y'all was doing the hump. SUV for the speed bumps, champagne for the days that our dinner was free lunch. When I wore an outfit, took it back, got a refund. Now what's happening? Yeah, bitch, rerun.
Alright, so today was just a great day to get back in the gym, man. Get some blood flow. It just feels good being in the gym, man. It just feels good being in here, man. You know, whenever you're going through something tough, dog, like, don't be so down on yourself for so long, man. Feel the pain, sit with it, sleep on it, whatever it is, and then get back to regular schedule programming, man. Get back to your life, get back to doing what you gotta do, get back to doing what you love doing. Don't let anything stop your joy, man, so keep it going. And I'm in here, I'm in my happy place right now, I'm in the gym, got a great little easy pump just to get back in the flow of things and get my mind right. And from here, come up with a plan, rehab, and your boy might be getting the coach too, man, so it's gonna be fun, man. I'm gonna show y'all who the coach is. It's someone who's pretty big in powerlifting, man. You know, cool powerlifting friend of mine for some years now. So, you know, we about to get it going, man. About to work with somebody new, and you know, sometimes you need that, man. It doesn't matter how good you are, man. We all need guidance. We all need guidance to be great. Let's get to it, all right? Peace.